Alright, so what we got is the Ford Transit Connect 2020. What we've done is we changed out the front speakers, all running on an Audison amp, and we got the front speakers bridged at 200 watts. The tweeters, as you can see, it's all hidden right under the seat, beautifully installed. The seat comes down and you got your seat there to sit on. It sounds phenomenal.
Why don't you pick up the phone when I'm all alone?
Super clear, very powerful, all done on the original Ford system. And also we have not modified any of the panels, they're still all original. If you want something like this upgrade on your Ford, give us a shout. See the link down below for more information. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.